Guys, so today I'm going to be unboxing this free equipment I got from the job. It's a work from home job that I got, and they sent me this HP thin client. I don't know what's inside it, but it's supposed to work with those two monitors in the back. The job required me or recommended me to get two monitors, so I got those two monitors, and this is going to be the free equipment from the job. So I'm really thankful that I got a work from home job so I could still stay at home with my kids while working part-time. And so here it is. I'm gonna open it now. I don't know if my thing is gonna stretch, so I'll show you what's inside. So first there's an headphone, and then there's a cable. I don't know what this cable is for, but I'll figure it out later. And then there's some chargers. I don't know what these chargers are for, but there's a charger. It's an HP charger. There's an adapter, VGA adapter. If it's too, so you can see better. And then there's a mouse, an HP mouse. What else is here? There's another adapter, a display port to HDMI adapter. And then there's the cord for the thin client. There we go. And then there's a folder of stuff, which is probably confidential, so this packet, I'm not going to open it, but I'll open it later. It's probably details for the job. Yeah, it is. And then we got a keyboard. This one is brand new. I'm not sure if these are all brand new, but this one looks like it's new. So, and then there's finally this thing. I don't know what this is for, but I think that's everything in the box. So, okay, so we got everything out. Let's check it out. So first, where are my scissors? Let's open this up. I think this is the main thing that I'm going to connect with my monitor. Oh, there you go. So this is the thing that connects the monitors to their system. So I need to read the instruction, so I won't be able to set it up right now, but I just want to show you the free things they sent me for this work at home job. Well, I guess I'll unbox this. I'll show you what kind of headphones they gave me. So right now I don't have a desk yet, so I'm just using a plastic desk. I need to buy a, it's a Plantronics. I already saw the brand, so it's a Plantronics Blackwire C3220 USB earphone. Oh, sorry. So here you go. That's kind of nice. Just a basic earphone. So got a brand new headphone. I always say earphone. It's a headphone. So put it there. Comes with a USB. And then so this is just a quick start guide. So I think this thing is for the HP. I think it's for this thing. Let's see if I could. So there you go. So that connects over there. This thing connects over here. So I really don't have any idea how to set this up. This is my first time setting up a station for working at home. So I'm going to read the instructions later on how this works. And they said I would need a router that's close to me, like 6 feet or closer to me. you can see, it's just the basic HP. And then I'll open this last piece. Let's see what kind of keyboard they gave me. Oh, it's another an HP keyboard. So it's really nice. It goes well with my setup. It's all black and gray, and that is cool that they provide free equipment. Breakdown of the cost of the equipment they sent me. So thank you for watching my video. Please subscribe and see you on the next video. Bye bye.